here at I think it's Padre Park in San Antonio. Now, of course, I think everybody's probably seen these, right? Other local parks, dog pickup bags. It's nice that they have free bags there and a little wastebasket for it. But I saw this thing, and I saw it from a distance. I was parked across, and I was doing a little bike riding. Okay, my son's still trying to learn, so it's a good big parking lot here. You want to teach a kid how to ride a bike. And I saw this from a distance. I was like, is that like an air pump for a bike? Because I see a bike rack here. And then it's like, I think it is. So I walked over here and I started thinking, what is all this stuff? And I saw this. Then I realized it's like a bike repair station. And I just saw right now there's that QR code. I don't know what it is, but you're supposed to hang the bike on here, like these bike racks you can buy at the store. And there's just cables holding all these tools, so you can actually like fix your bike. And I guess this is where you put the air. Now I haven't. There you go. So those right there. I thought this was pretty neat. So we got here like a wrench and a kind of pry control, screwdrivers, a hex tool. I just thought that was very interesting. Everything's hanging there with a cable. None looks rusty or anything. I don't know how new this is. I don't think I saw this the last time I was here, so I guess I don't know if this is the only park that has this. We are by the San Antonio River, which has its own like trail system. It's paved almost like roads, but just for the hikers and bikers. Mainly a lot of people bicycling. But I just thought that was neat. I don't know if that's at a lot of parks around the country or not.